For this pencil kit, I would like to use some local mesquite that I milled. It's a pleasure to work with, and I have so much of it laying around. Both of these pieces have a little bit of sapwood. Let's focus on the one on the left. The first thing I need to do is get a blank out of it. It's pretty rough, but that shouldn't matter. Looking at the end grain, we can see where the sapwood runs off. I'm going to try to keep some of it, so I won't drill directly into the center. Next up is gluing. This is pretty straightforward. This is a barrel trimmer. It helps you trim the excess wood flush with the brass tubing. And here it is ready to spin. After getting the profile close, I'll start sanding. Here I'm just cleaning with naphtha. This makes it easier to see if you have scratches, and it evaporates very quickly. Next, I need to apply a pore filler. I really like the way Ebony Timbermate brings out a lot of contrast in the grain. After it dries, it needs to be sanded again. I'll clean it one last time with naphtha and apply a few coats of shellac. I'm going to use a polyurethane finish for this kit. After several coats and a few days to dry, the next step is to wet sand. I used lemon oil because that's what I had. It's a simple kit. Here are the parts. Only 2 pieces need to be pressed. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them below. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It'll help out my channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.